Grade 9-4. I'm waiting on you all to be silent, and I'm not beginning my class until everybody is silent and absolutely still. So let me know when you're ready, alright? Oh, you're ready now. Thank you very much for gracing me with your kindness. Would you kindly get out your textbooks, please, and turn to page 253, item number 8. We're going to be starting our class today with a look at Pythagoras' theorem. That's sine, cosine, and anybody else know? Well, of course not. Tangent. We're also going to be spending some time on page 258. We're going to be looking at vectors and matrices. And of course, we're going to be delving at tips into reasoning and logic. So get out your writing implements and turn to page 253, where you will start off with item number 8, that exercise. Rudyard Cavallo, get out of that girl's ear. That's the 9th one you're looking this weekend. What is wrong with you, boy? Are you blessed with an overdose of Jamaican gallisness? Behave yourself. Get out of the class. You're a consistent menace. As a matter of fact, I changed my mind. Sit at the back and write 500 lines. I must keep my mouth to myself. My God, imagine if you were applying yourself mathematically the way you're applying yourself gallis-wise. Behave. What? Tell him I'm coming. Start the exercises, class. Start the exercises. And when you complete them, just leave them on your table. I will come around and look at them. Don't bum rush my table. I don't like when all of you come up on me one time. I get a bad feeling and I don't trust you all. I really don't. I'll be right back and going to the principal's office. Cavallo, do the lines. You're a menace. A menace you are.